Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a prom inspired makeup look. So right now I'm just using a brow pencil from MAC Cosmetics, spiked, to go ahead and fill in her brows. After this, I do go ahead and clean it up with Studio Finish Concealer, which I've already placed on the eyes. Right now I'm using the It's My Ray Ray palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm just using a copper tone shadow on the lid. I've already used a neutral tone in the crease. And then now I'm using Eye Candy Cosmetics Taffy glitter. And I'm using the Eye Candy Cosmetics sugar adhesive to put the glitter on. Next, I've already primed the skin with MAC Natural Radiance Primer. And now I'm just using a 109 brush to go ahead and buffer that into the skin. I'm also using AJ Crimson foundation. And then next I'm just going to do my highlighting underneath the eyes with MAC Bright Forecast, and I'm also mixing another concealer. Then I'm just setting everything, warming her up with MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Dark. I did use the banana powder to go ahead and set underneath the eyes for the highlighter. And then next I'm using B Bella Cosmetics highlighting palette. I love these highlighters. They're very cream and buttery. And then now I'm just using a pink lipstick. I believe this is a matte shade from MAC Cosmetics.